guys, thank you so much for clicking on my channel. I hope everyone's doing good. If you would like to see how I made this fabric face mask using a t-shirt, keep watching. Spread your t-shirt out flat, then move up about an inch from the bottom hem and measure 15 inches across. So you're going to have the longer sides 15 inches and then the shorter sides measure 7 inches. Next, you're going to want to take that strip you left across the very bottom and cut all the way across the bottom of the t-shirt. So about a 1-inch strip, and you're going to be using this strip across the bottom to make your straps to go over your ears. So cut all the way across, and this is just a size large cotton t-shirt that I'm using. So after you get your straps cut for your ears, you're going to want to cut out your 15 by 7 rectangle. So you have one rectangle and it's doubled. Now take your strip that you cut across the bottom and just stretch it real good. You'll want to stretch your straps and then go to each side where it's hemmed and cut them apart so that you have 2 strings now. Next, you're going to take your rectangle and you're going to take it from the end and you're going to fold it to about the halfway point. You can measure it if you want or just kind of eyeball it. Then take the top piece and go just overlap about an inch over the bottom piece. Now you'll want to have either some chip clips or clothespins or something so that you can hold your fabric in place so that it does not move. By doing your face mask this way, this allows you the option to add a filter if you would like. Next, you're going to want to fold up the end about a 1/2 inch and you're going to go all the way down it, just making tiny slits. Now don't cut all the way through, just tiny little slits about every 1/2 inch or so all the way down the side. Just make sure you're only making slits, don't cut all the way through. Go to your other side, fold it up about an inch or so. Then put your clothespin back on so that it does not move on you. Same steps, you're just going to add tiny little slits all the way down this side. It is a little bit thicker when you get to the very center of your face mask, but just be very careful and make slits all the way from one end to the other on each side. Now you're ready to remove your clothespins and you're going to unfold it and you can see the tiny little slits that you cut. Now you're going to take one of your pieces of fabric that you cut from the bottom, one of your strings that you stretched for your ears, thread it in and out the little slits. You'll do these same steps on each side. Okay, so I have my first side done, and then just make sure you kind of equal out your strings on each end. Then for my other side, I'm just going to remove the clothespin, take my other string, and just thread it through from the bottom to the top, then now from the top to the bottom, going in and out each slit until I get to the very end, and then I'll make sure my strings are about the same length when I get finished. This is the side that is against your face, and you could add a filter if you would like. Okay, next you're going to take your strings and you can kind of pull your strings and that will make your sides of your mask kind of gather. I don't usually add a filter in mine, but I wanted to give you an option in case you do. But here I'm just kind of pulling on the strings and making them gather on each end. Now you can leave your strings long if you want and just tie them behind your head and make a little bow, or what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take them and tie them in a little knot on each side and then I'm going to take it and try it on and see if it's comfortable. See if I need to adjust my knot to make it tighter or looser. So once you've tried it on and adjusted it to fit your face, then you can cut the strings short if you would like. Just remember it will stretch some. So this is what it looks like, and you're just going to place each side, your left side over your left ear, your right side over your right ear. Then when you have it adjusted, just trim the string shorter and take the knot and rotate it to the bottom of your mask. Now this is the side against your face, so you'll want to put the side that doesn't have the filter pocket against your face and have the other side facing out, the pretty side facing out. But that's it, guys. Very simple to make. One t-shirt will make 2 face masks. In the comment section below, let me know what you think and if you're wearing a face mask when you go out in public. And I hope everyone's staying safe. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. Thank you so much.